This is in Gurnee at Saratoga Square strip mall, and this is the office portion. It's got an elevator in it. Pretty nice little lobby here. It's the Saratoga Office Center. LRV.
What door operator does it have? GAL.
What the heck? I guess they couldn't find a to button. Well, alright then. Let's go to floor call cancel. Oh, did I accidentally hit door open? Land on 2. That's so funny. A call cancel for the 2 button.